Welcome to the launch sequence. This is a game where you are going to begin building your very own brand prototype. You'll be given a series of tasks, video by video, that will have a very specific intent that you'll go and lay the foundation for your brand. This is a game of consistency and execution. There's not going to be any overthinking or not knowing what to do. Every single video will tell you specifically what to do, and all you have to do is execute. You can expect that I will be daily doing live calls, dropping new daily lessons, and giving you everything you need to win while simultaneously you are completing the launch sequence. Now, in return, I expect for you to not be lazy, and I expect you to show up to this campus every single day. Becoming a high-level operator in business and in social media requires consistency and dedication. All of those is simply a decision and a choice to show up every day. Here inside of the SMCA, everything is focused around one centerpiece. And the focus of that centerpiece is to show you how to build a business, all using social media and AI, allowing you to become impossible to ignore, undeniable. And you don't get dropped into the ocean alone expecting, oh, you're just gonna figure it out. No, we have a highly successful and dedicated team working with you side by side every single day. So your first focus here inside of the SMCA is to complete the full launch sequence. And the reason this is very important is because it builds the foundation for your social media brand moving forward. Now, of course, you can go and take a look at some of the other categories, which we'll discuss here in a second, but I really want you to focus on completing the launch sequence. By completing the launch sequence, you're going to be unlocking the daily mission center along with various other courses that you cannot see yet, because I want to make sure that you have what it takes to go to the next level. There are two paths to qualifying for the mission center. Number one is completing the launch sequence, and number two is logging into this campus every single day for 14 days by becoming a power user. You can decide effort or consistency. They both have the same outcome. And here's exactly what's inside of the mission center. Each day, you are given an elite mission that is going to challenge you while simultaneously forcing you to grow. On top of that, you receive feedback directly from me and my team. On top of these real-time activities, you're also given tools, templates, and everything else that you need to succeed. But before we get ahead of ourselves, I want you to focus on completing the launch sequence simultaneously with showing up here every single day for the next 14 days. The choice is yours. While you complete the launch sequence, you also have access to what is called the Learning Center. To access the Learning Center, you simply click the yellow button that says courses. It's divided into topical categories. However, there are three main categories that are the foundation of this entire campus. Number one is business fundamentals, because if you want to build an actual business, you need to understand what business actually is, sales, marketing, all of that, and it's found within the business fundamentals. The next category to focus on is the social media lab. For you to build a digital presence, a personal brand, and to go out there and capture attention, you're going to have to understand every social media platform out there that draws interest to you, meaning you can pick whichever social media platform you want to master. And then finally, to tie this all up, the third category is acquire clients, because it's pointless to go out there and just post content to get some attention and some validation. We're here to get paid. And so I show you how to take that attention and make money off it. But anyways, you don't need to watch everything now. What matters most is that you go through and complete the launch sequence and create your very own brand prototype. By completing the launch sequence, you not only build your brand prototype, but you also step into the very profitable role of growth architect. Anyways, welcome to the SMCA. My name is Professor Dylan Madden. The fun begins in the next sequence.